Most broke people aren't broke because they don't care about money. It's because nobody ever taught them how to protect it. I've seen people work hard, earn decent money, and still feel like they're falling behind. And it's not because they're lazy. It's because their cash quietly disappears in places they don't even notice. So today, we're breaking down 12 things broke people waste money on, and what to do instead to stop the leaks and finally start keeping more of your own money. Let's get into it. Number 1. Buying cars by the monthly payment. Broke people don't buy cars, they buy payments. Dealers know this. That's why the first question they ask isn't, "What car do you want?" but "What monthly payment are you looking for?" It's a psychological trap. They stretch out the loan, add useless warranties, and hide the total cost behind a manageable number. The result? You end up paying thousands more in interest and driving a car that's worth less than what you owe. The wealthy look at the total out-the-door price and total cost of ownership, not just the monthly hit. If you can't buy it outright, negotiate the full price, not the payment. Because once you start thinking in payments, you'll stay in payments forever. Number 2, the tech upgrade treadmill. Broke people convince themselves that upgrading their gadgets means they're keeping up. But most new phones, laptops, and tablets only feel new for about 2 weeks. After that, it's the same scrolling, the same apps, the same distractions. Only now you're $1,000 poorer. The truth is, those upgrades rarely move your life forward. They just reset your dopamine. Smart people only upgrade when performance actually limits their productivity, not their pride. Wait until your device stops supporting updates or slows down your work. And when you finally buy, go one generation behind. You'll get 95% of the performance for 60% of the price. Number 3, subscription stacking. Broke people love to call it convenience. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, gym apps, food boxes, all charging quietly in the background while half of them go unused. The problem isn't one subscription, it's stacking them. Each one feels harmless. $9.99 here, $14.99 there. But together, they bleed your budget dry. The wealthy do quarterly audits of every recurring charge. They only prepay annually for services they truly use, and they follow one simple rule: subscribe for what you need, cancel when you're done. You can always sign up again later, but most people never do. They just keep paying for ghosts. Number 4, impulse Amazon and Target runs. Ever opened a package and thought, "Wait, why did I buy this?" That's not bad memory. That's dopamine. Broke people shop for the feeling, not the function. Amazon makes it too easy. Saved cards, one-tap checkout, instant gratification. It's not even shopping anymore, it's emotional soothing. Wealthier people slow down the impulse. They follow a 48 to 72 hour rule. If you still want it after 3 days, maybe it's worth buying. They also remove saved cards and go in with a list, not vibes. Because even it's only $20, it will add up to $1,000 per year in forgotten boxes and buyer's remorse. Number 5, extended warranties. Extended warranties are one of the biggest profit machines in retail. Stores make up to 80% in pure margins, selling you fear. They know most people never use them. Why? Because things usually break either immediately, and you return them anyway, or long after the warranty expires. On top of that, many credit cards already offer protection for purchases. The smarter play is to buy higher quality items, use your card's built-in coverage, and build an emergency fund for true repairs. Broke people outsource peace of mind. Wealthy people prepare for it. Number 6, designer logos for status. Broke people don't buy clothes, they buy validation. The logo becomes a badge of worth, even when their wallet is screaming for help. Here's the truth. You're not impressing anyone who's actually wealthy. The rich don't need to advertise it. And yet, broke people will wear another person's initials on their chest like a trophy. That's not confidence, that's insecurity in disguise. True wealth is quiet. It's owning things that fit well, feel good, and last. Next time you crave that brand name high, put it on a 30-day want list. If you still want it after a month, get it intentionally. Otherwise, you were just trying to fill a feeling, not your closet. Number 7. Gambling and lottery tickets. Let's call it what it is, a tax on hope. The odds of winning are worse than being struck by lightning twice. But broke people keep playing because they crave the shortcut, not the strategy. Meanwhile, the wealthy create their own luck by investing consistently. If you love the thrill of gambling, gamify your wealth instead. Track your net worth, celebrate debt payoff milestones, and compete with your past self. The real jackpot is freedom, not fantasy. Number 8. Bank maintenance and ATM fees. Paying a bank to hold your money is wild when you think about it. Yet, broke people do it every month without question. $10 here, $20 there, plus the occasional $5 ATM fee just to access their own cash. That's like paying rent on your own wallet. Wealthy people use fee-free banks with global ATM reimbursements, link savings for overdraft protection, and keep everything automated. Banks already make billions off your deposits. They don't need your lunch money too. Number 9. Credit card interest for points. If you're carrying a balance while chasing rewards, you're not earning, you're losing. Think about it. A 27% APR to earn 1% cash back is financial madness. But credit card companies love this mindset because it keeps broke people trapped, believing they're playing the game while the game plays them. The smart move? Pay your card in full every month. If you can't, stop optimizing for points and start attacking that balance. Interest is the silent thief of progress, and no amount of free miles can buy freedom. Number 10. Late fees and overdrafts. Broke people pay for being forgetful. Late fees, overdraft penalties, missed payments. It's all money thrown in the trash. A single missed bill can cost $40 or more, and it adds up faster than you think. Wealthy people automate their systems. They cluster due dates, set calendar reminders, and stack alerts from their bank apps. That way, nothing slips through the cracks. It's not about being perfect. It's about being prepared. Because financial stability isn't built on big wins, it's built on avoiding small, stupid losses. Number 11. Skincare and supplement hopping. Broke people chase results instead of consistency. One week, it's a new serum. The next, it's a miracle vitamin promising to change their life. What they're really buying is hope, over and over again. The truth? Your skin and body need routine, not roulette. Try one change at a time for at least 30 days. If it doesn't work, cut it. The wealthier mindset is boring but effective. Stick to proven basics, invest in what works, and stop using your wallet to fix what habits can. Number 12. Status credit cards you don't maximize. That shiny premium credit card with airport lounges and concierge perks looks luxurious, until you realize you're paying $600 a year for benefits you don't even use. Broke people hold on to status cards for the feeling of being upgraded, not the math. The smart move? Run the numbers once a year. If the rewards or perks don't outweigh the annual fee, downgrade it to a no-fee card and move on. Wealth isn't about collecting cards, it's about collecting choices. And there you have it, 12 things broke people waste money on. Remember, financial freedom isn't about cutting every joy from your life. It's about spending with awareness and purpose. Every dollar you keep is a seed that grows into options, freedom, and peace of mind. Start small, stay consistent, and before you know it, you won't just be earning more, you'll be keeping more too.